Hello guys, this is your man Maniac by the name of Sia. We are looking at the GBP pairs prior to interest rate release at 1 p.m. in my GMT, plus 2 GMT. So there's this release official bank rates. They capped at 0.5%. There's gonna be 1 p.m. So this is what we are trading today. I'm using forexfactory.com. Okay, so looking at the daily time frame, when you are when you're familiar with Steve Morrow, you'll understand that at this point we had a consolidation. We had some sort of consolidation at this point. We had another consolidation that's right here. So this has been your level 1 drop, consolidation 1, level 2 drop, consolidation 2, and we will be expecting that drop again. We will be expecting that drop here prior to the news release, and then forming that market maker structure like that, and then come back to that, and then boom, moving up like that. Okay, so seeing this, let me quickly recap because we are still bullish. I'm sorry, we are still bearish. This has been the last high, the daily candle, taking its high and low. Let me zoom a little bit, which is something I used to see. The trend is still going up. That's the low, that's the high. This is the candle that break this daily, so it's telling me it's breaking the low, it's breaking outside the box, and we are still bearish. But now this candle, yeah, so this one, all of these candles, they are neither closing above nor below that. So that's why I'm saying we're having the consolidation. Yeah, so we have the consolidation. As much as we had that consolidation just there, can you see that? Neither we're closing outside nor in. I'm sorry, outside. So you could see that if you have dealt with Steve Morrow, that's the consolidation. This is the second consolidation that we have. Okay, allow me to delete that. So where we are, let me zoom. So we are in this whole part, expecting the market to drop back down. See how many times they've been trying to pin this. They're failing. We're gonna go to a smaller time frame. See how since this week how they've been cleaning here. Those stops were hit by that, the stops above by that, and this is where they are right now. This is where they are failing just prior to the news. See, cleaning stop. Okay, where is the market going? When the market is falling or it's rising, but in this case we're going to be talking about the falling, they want to hit all the lows, those lows, those lows, those lows, those lows. Those are called liquidity pools, but you can spot them nicely on 4 hour. So for this matter, we're gonna have these ones here, the lows, which are these there, stop hands. They say that those are liquidity pools, and then we're gonna have them here, but here it's still one of them. It's one of those liquidity pools. They are all there. We have them here, those major retracements. These are all the stop hands. we have them there. Another low, which is here. That's where we are collecting stops, hunting the stops, as many people would prefer that language. Another ones will be here, the major retracement, stops on there, and then we will have another one there and another one's there, stops there, and those ones. Okay, let me zoom so you see them nice. Those there, and there. Okay, let's go to 4 hour. I'm sorry, to the daily time frame. See what I'm showing you. Stops, retracement, stop, retracement, stops, retracement, stops, retracement, there stops, retracement, stops, retracement, stops. Here. Okay, where are we going? Like I told you, we are going down. We are expecting them to break down, either come here, no there, or below, which is about close to 300 pips. Close to 300 pips? No, 240 pips. Okay, let's look at what they've been doing on a 4 hour time frame when they have been dropping. See, they were breaking that here, test, go down, break, using the news, coming there, break, test, boom, using the news. So now they're here. They've been struggling here. You see where they've been struggling? Where they are struggling, it was here with those ones. They are struggling with those ones here. So the news are going to be used to accelerate the market, breaking that downside, collecting all the stops up until here, no day. Okay, now let us look how we could have been taking this trade on this side. We are taking the close of this candle, and then we want 11 pips above. 11 pips will be that. Yes, with that. Yeah. So we are measuring 11 pips where we can be entering the market, which is here. It will be there. See this level. It will be there. And then our stop 30 pips. So if I'm trading 30 pips, yes, that. So if I am trading that, let's say I wanna trade 0.05, then I'm comfortable, but the whole thing wanna lose, it's the trade of 0.15 times 30 pips. This will be my stop just there. This is my 30 pip stop. That's where they are. And then I will have my showcase trade. There is gonna be twice the volume of what I've used. So if I was using 0.05, then means it's gonna be 0.10. So if I was using 0.5, it's gonna be 1 standard lot. So this is my stop here. It's my stop loss. And at this stop, I'm having another entry. I'm having another entry of 0.1 with again the very same stop of 30 pips there. So what these people might do would be to collect some stops just there, maybe extreme, collect some stops before they are excuse me, before they are dropping down there. So we're expecting to hit the stops for these trades before they are moving down. Are we clear? Okay. So I repeat again, where are we going with this trend? We are going down. Where? Roughly here, roughly there. So that's where we might start to see those W's. Sorry with that. Those W's or whatever the formation may be, and then boom, going up. So this is where we want to be. So where should we stack our positions? Just 5 minutes before we come in, we want to see the market at least in this area, roughly there. 5 minutes before the news, that is where we would like to see the market playing. Just wait for it to be there. Wait for it to be there, around there. Either way, you're not gonna hit a stop. Just here, if it comes, but you are safe now to enter from there. You're safe to be a seller. You're looking for a sell. We are looking for a sell. I'm gonna write that. We are looking for a sell. We are looking for a sell going down. So roughly on a 3600 here, 3600. Yeah, 3600 here. You see, that is where we want to be sellers, extreme sellers at this day. But when just 5 minutes before the news release, we want to be there. Wait for the market to do that, trapping everyone. They are cleaning stocks here, and then going down. Okay, guys, I hope you're gonna trade nice. Enjoy that. I'm coming back to South Africa probably next week. So where you wanna go? 33,500. Yeah, let me put that. So here, just there. Okay, 33,500, just there. That's where you wanna have your take profit for this trade today, or maybe tomorrow. Okay, guys, enjoy your trading, and I wish you all the best and trade nice. This is your boy Maniac. Ta-da.